Stocks on the deep. We have BMEA, SNWV, SOPA, and PMAX. BMEA down 26.97%. Could this be a contraction of yesterday's expansion? We can see this intraday high of $5.33. Let's see. It's likely that it is what is the case. BMEA. Yeah, it looks like the contraction of yesterday's expansion. It is, yeah. And lower prices are expected to remain in place up till today's, to the end of, till the end of today's trading session. Then we might have a bounce that may remain in place up till Thursday's pre-market session. Then after that, the downtrend may resume. Okay, price pressure momentums, I think they are looking bad now. Yeah, the 10 and 21 period moving averages are now severely bearish. However, the derivatives are robustly bullish, indicating that people are attempting to buy this deep. Yeah, let's see whether we can find any news. Okay, yeah, yeah, they're offering some stock. Yeah, okay, but before then, I can imagine why they are buying the deep. You can see the expansion. The stock has been on an expansion, was on an expansion before it took off. It's changed gear to the went yeah it changed gear and took flight in I mean it took flight in a very steep angle of attack, very steep, and obviously this is expected if the stock spikes by this with this sort of angle of attack. You never know who could have, maybe the people that pumped it are the ones also helping them raise the funds. Okay, so let's see what's going on with SNWV. SNWV down 21.61%. I think it's also a contraction of yesterday's expansion. Yeah, it was a volatile session trading between 4.086 and $2.29. Yeah, let's see. Okay, before we continue with SNWV, BMEA projections are saying 2.44. Yeah, 2.44 is to the upside. Yeah, and before then it had 2.3, 2.46, 2.56. There's also 2.48. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so let's move on to SNWV. 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 Let's see what's going on. No extrapolations. Okay, I think it's a contraction of yesterday's expansion. Yes, there was an attempt to bounce, but it didn't work. Projections are saying 38.57, 40.35, and 41.46. Yeah, projections went as high as 49.56, 47.76, 57.97. This was as of the 25th of August. Okay, selling pressure is severe. Yeah, but the 10 and 21 period moving averages are severely bearish. However, the derivatives are positive. Not all of them are. Some of them are fractional, and some of them are robustly positive, indicating that yeah, buying pressure. I mean, deep buying is going on right now. An attempt to reverse the trend is in place, but will it work? That's the issue. That's the question. Okay, I think I may have reported tenants outcomes. Okay, yeah. Let's see what's going on with SOPA. SOPA, was it not expanding yesterday? I think. Yeah, I think it's a contraction of yesterday's expansion, down 22.64%. Yeah, it is a contraction of yesterday's expansion. So it's saying that this contraction may remain in place up till Thursday, the 16th of October. No guarantee at all that that will be the case. Yeah, let's see. 1.27 is it's a downward projection. Yeah, 1.27. Yeah, okay. Selling pressure. Yeah, still in it. There's selling pressure going on, but it hasn't changed anything because of that. Yeah, because obviously you can see this is where the price is, and this is where the moving averages are. This is a 10-day, 10 period moving average, 21 period, 40 period, 200 period. So even with this weakness that's going on right now, positions opened 40 hours ago, very much intact, very still positive. Going all the way to 8 hours ago. Very good. However, of course, some positions, the ones opened 24 hours ago, thereabouts, may not be good at the moment. Yeah, the ones opened about, okay, maybe not up to 24 hours ago, maybe let's say 10 hours ago. Yeah, not in profit at the moment. Yeah. So that's what's going on. Upper projections. Let's see. We can try and see what we can find in terms of that. What we can do is we take this 6.33 and take this and remove 3.04 from it. So we'll have 3.29. So with that 3.29, we can now do some projections. 3.29 multiplied by 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, we have 5.32. Add that to 4.1, we have 9.42. That's really getting ambitious. Okay, so we'll just try one more time because it's looking a bit ambitious. Okay, so 3.29 multiplied by 2.618. Add that to 4.09. We have 12.70. Yeah, really ambitious. Okay, since we found our proper projections, let's see what we have in the downside. Yeah, we have 1.27, 1.25, 1.31, 1.34, 0.988, 0.9512, 1.02. Yeah, let's see, even lower prices. Yeah, we have 0.4868, 0.3, 0.6332, 0.87. Yeah, it's good to point out those lower prices as well. Okay, so the last of them all will be PMAX, PMAX, down 16.39. I think it's also a case of contracting the previous session's expansion. Yeah, let's see what we have. 3 PMAX. Yes, it is. It is contracting yesterday's expansion. So yeah, the contraction is better to remain in place up till at least Tuesday, the 14th of October. It's saying here that there might be a bounce by the close of today's trading session and may hold up till the pre-market session of tomorrow. And then after that, the downtrend may continue. Projections are currently saying 2.63, a slight upper projection from current levels. Before now, during yesterday's session, we had 2.82. Yeah, actually tested that, given this intraday high of 3.5. Much earlier as well, as of the 25th of September, it had 3.22, 3.6, 3.83. If you're going all the way back to the 26th of August, I think it's saying here 3.35, 3.22. I think we've seen such already. Yeah, okay. 29th of August, they had $4, 4.29. Yeah. Okay. So selling pressure is yeah, it's getting closer home. Yeah, they 10, 21, 40 period moving averages are still trending. Positions opened at least 40 hours ago are still good, still in profit, but you can see it's not. You see the 10 period, the stock is right on the 10 period moving average. Obviously, it only gets there by selling effort. So you can see we have a severely a bearish second derivative on that on this 10 period moving average. Yeah, this is the price pressure momentum. This is the indicator. It refers to that moving average. This one, and yeah, okay. Also, that is also the case on its 21 period moving average. This is it's actually more severely bearish. Yeah, okay. The I would just want to have a look at this 200 period moving average. Let's see what the indicator is going to say because it's referring to positions opened over 800 hours ago. Let's see what it's saying currently. Is it bearish? It should be. I expect that it will be. Yeah, 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 yeah. Usually, when you see the stock, when you see this, the underlying trend sloping bearishly lower, there's a good chance that yeah, the trend will be is likely to be negative as well. Yeah, everything's severely bearish. Yeah, everything's severely bearish. Let's see what we have. Okay, no fresh news. So have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.